Hey guys, this is I Am Beauty with the 1 year braided up challenge, and this is actually my third installation of braids during my challenge. These were actually installed on November the 6th, so I'm actually halfway in, and these are the photos of when I first installed my braids. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how I go through and redo my parameter and actually refresh my braids. So here you can see in the middle where it's grown out quite a bit, and also along the sides where it's grown out quite a bit. And this time the way I'm actually refreshing my hair is actually taking down the entire twist or braid and actually redoing the whole parameter. Okay, and I usually start braiding a couple inches, then twist the remaining down. For the second time, we're going to flash until I have like half done and half undone, so you can see the difference. And as soon as I get to the, come on. Alright, so you can see where the left side is actually done completely and the right side is not so much. Alright, and fast forward again to where I'm done.